Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the session indicator to trade candlesticks. I will be looking at a top-down approach to trading from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame to the hourly time frame, then to the 50-minute time frame. So it's more like a top-down analysis using the session indicator as a guide that will help us take this trade without making errors or without much room for errors. All right, guys, so let's look at it. Now we can see that yesterday Bitcoin showed a bearish engulfing candle, all right, supported by volume. You can see the volume here is quite high, and then we have a bearish engulfing candle. So what do we want to do now? We want to say that today, if you are going to trade, then we are going to continue in the direction of the candlestick. That means we'll be selling than buying. So when we come to our 4-hour time frame, so we can see on our 4-hour time frame that this is how the candle closed on Monday. So what do we want to do? We want to ensure that we look at areas where we may want to take this trade, and we can see that right here we have this bearish engulfing candle, and we have that area as our order block. All right, so before we can now say we want to go down to our 1 hour time frame, we can also see that there's a swing. You can also see the swing here that led to this breakdown. So we already have a break of market structure around here. So we're looking at an opportunity to really short this market, but we really want to ensure that the odds are in our favor. So now that we have looked at the 4-hour time frame, we want to go to the 1-hour time frame, and this is where the session indicator will become very important. So now that we are on our 1-hour time frame, all right, so what we want to do is that we want to look at areas where we can enter the market. But because we are looking at, for my own time frame, the comfortable time to trade is usually the London session and the New York session. Makes me have more time to do other stuffs than look at the chart all day. So when we already know that this is the midnight, this is midnight, yesterday's midnight. So what I want to do now is to bring in the session indicator. And so there's a special session indicator that I use, which is called Lux Algo, Lux Algo session. Don't worry about the cap. You don't really need to turn on your caps lock. So this is it, the Lux Algo session. So once you click on it, it's going to show your chart, and you're going to get something like this. Now that you get something like this, you can see that this indicator is properly labeled. You can see London. I don't know if you can see it right here. This is London. This is New York. All right, and then we have Tokyo around here. So I just have to delete this so that you can see Tokyo very well. So that is Tokyo. So it's properly labeled so that you really know what time it is. And so when we want to trade this, we just want to wait for 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to come. So I'm going to play it for you to see. So right now you can see that the market actually traded into this area of fair value gap around 2 a.m. then continue to go lower, and then so we have this another break of market structure around here, and then we have this bearish engulfing candle by 9 a.m., which is nice. We have this bearish engulfing candle by 9 a.m. So what we want to do now is that we want to take our short entry, because this is 9 a.m. bearish engulfing candle telling us that we can continue to take the sell trade. So the 1-hour time frame has really given us a clear direction of the market, right? So we now have a clear direction of the market. So from the 1-hour time frame, we want to go to the 15 minutes to take our entry. So on the 15 minutes, it becomes even clearer. All right. So here we have another order block around here. We have another order block around here, right? We have a fair value gap around here. We have a fair value gap around here. So, which is good. So, because we are shorting this market, really, where do we now place our stop loss? Now, we have this swing here. We have this swing here. We have this swing here. And then we have this other high here. So we want to make sure that in order to protect ourselves, we'll put our stop loss around here. So if we want to short this market, we want to take a short entry, we want our entry to be around this other block, all right? And then our stop loss should be on this swing high, this one here, all right? So now we want to take a 1 to 2 risks to reward. Now, we want to take a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That means for every $100 we are trading, we want to make $200. For every $10 we are trading, we want to make $20. So let's see how it goes. So we can see that the market did not really fill our order. During the London session, we are still in the, now, boom. Now you can see what happened here. That the London session did not fill our order. But we came to the New York session, our orders got filled. Now you can see why it was good that we didn't put our stop loss on this candle. We took the order swing high, and it gave allowance for our trade to be able to breathe. So the New York session came in, and there was volume, and now we got this bearish engulfing candle during our New York session, hitting our entry, and then what we have is that our 1 to 2 risk to reward was hit here. So this is it. You can see that our trade hits our entry and take profits during the New York session. So basically this is more like a top-down analysis, and then when you come to the hourly time frame, you just turn on your Lugo session indicator. All right, so once you turn it on, it virtually shows you areas where time frame and candlestick pattern within those time frame. That makes it easier for you to take the trade. If you come back to the 1 hour time frame, and we look back for a while, a bit, if you turn on the Lugo indicator, you will see a lot of things happening here. You can see in this London session right here, you see this bearish engulfing candle again, which gave us opportunity to, if you want to take a short entry, that would be nice. And you see um this is another this is a Tokyo session, and you can see this bullish engulfing candle coming up at the open of the Tokyo session, taking us into this other block, then before we crash. And then you see again, this is another bullish engulfing candle. So basically, at the start of this session, sometimes it gives you a clear candlestick pattern showing you the direction of the market. Most of the time, a clear candlestick pattern giving you direction of the market. So guys, you got to use this indicator. Just add it during your top-down analysis. I showed you from the daily time frame my bias. Then we went to the 4 hour time frame to show that there is continuation. Then we came to the 1 hour time frame to turn on the session indicator to look at the candlestick pattern that was happening within our area of interest, and then we went to the 15 minutes time frame to take our entry. So this is more of a straightforward trade because the previous day candlestick was very clear candlestick that gave us the direction of the market. So I will want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, take me to 1,000 subscribers, and probably drop something in the comment section, whatever you feel. And if you want me to make another video concerning something, you can just drop it there. I'm going to make it. So I wish you a very happy, profitable day ahead. So see you guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.